Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over ShibosuERC token. Now this token just got listed on CoinGecko, brand new listing today. Ticker symbol is SHIBO, SHIBO. This token's actually up 14.7% after it just got listed here. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. ShibosuERC, all one word, is the name of the token. SHIBO is the ticker symbol. ShibosuCom is their official webpage. You can find that listed now on CoinGecko along with their Etherscan, price chart, contract address, Twitter, Telegram, and GitHub are all listed on CoinGecko. So since this is an Ethereum token, how you would buy this token is you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You'd go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and you would trade your Ethereum for the SHIBO token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko, or you can find it on their Etherscan, which is listed on CoinGecko, or their official webpage, ShibosuCom. They even have a link on ShibosuCom. It says Buy ShiboSu. Click on that. That'll take you where you need to go. And they have the contract address on their webpage too, right at the very top. It just says contract, so click on that if you need it. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. And there is going to be some network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now, according to their Etherscan, right now they have 790 holders, so they're on their way here to their first 1,000 holders. 8,975 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply here, that is a million, billion, 1 quadrillion tokens, so a lot of tokens there. Now, if you go to their official webpage, ShibosuCom, at the top of the page, it says Telegram. It's got a link for that. Their Twitter, contract, chart. If you want to check out their chart, that will take you over to a DEX Tools chart. And they have contact information in case you need to contact the team, and then a link to Uniswap to buy the token. It says, welcome to ShiboSu, the meme coin revolution, inspired by KIBOSU. And I actually did a video on KIBOSU. If you are not aware of that token, go check that one out. Now, this happens all the time. A token comes out, gets somewhat popular, and then there's all these tokens that are that play off of the name of that token. I mean, obviously, we've seen that with Doge, Shiba, Floki, you name it. And then you see it with the kind of the lower new coins too, like even Bonk INU. I just posted a video. Bonk BSC just came out, which is the Binance Smart Chain version of the Bonk INU token, which is on the Solana blockchain. It says, dedicated to the journey of KIBOSU, we bring you the biggest meme of 2023, ShiboSu. It says, stay strong, KIBOSU. Who is KIBOSU anyways? KIBOSU is a female Shiba Inu who famously inspired the face of Doge. Her unique story developed in Japan when, as a puppy, was abandoned and left stranded in one of the many Japanese animal shelters. KIBOSU is now suffering from leukemia, which inspired the meme KIBOSU to raise awareness for this famous dog. KIBOSU was the face that symbolizes the power of innovation and progress, which now comes to life. And then it has, these look like they're going to be NFTs because they're little cards here, but you can click on them and kind of scroll through them, but they're all the same right now. So maybe there's more coming soon, but looks like there's going to be some NFTs. And it says explore, but that looks like it just takes you over to their Telegram. So, yeah, anyways. Dedicated to the journey of KIBOSU, we bring you the biggest meme coin of 2023, SHIBOSU. KIBOSU inspired all of the biggest dog meme hype. Poop coins like Dogecoin. How dare they call Dogecoin a poop coin? But anyways, terrible, terrible. Shiba Inu and now SHIBOSU. SHIBOSU will aim to create the same inspirational journey, bringing together all the dog meme communities and showering them with the amazing journey KIBOSU created for us over 13 years ago. Now, I think, actually, I think Dogecoin would be kind of like, I mean, not, I know it's like, you know, one of the original, or, you know, is the original dog meme coin, and has a lot of, is glorified just because of that. But like, just because Elon Musk likes Doge so much and always talks about Doge, and then now that he owns Twitter, and then, you know, there's Tesla, and there's all these businesses that could potentially in the future have Doge as a payment source, and have Elon promoting it. I think that, I mean, to me, it makes it, PooCoin is kind of like, I mean, if there wasn't all that as well, then maybe I'd put it in that category. But it does have like a lot of potential just from Elon himself, you know. But I digress. That is in no way me telling you to go buy Dogecoin, though. That is just a thought. Anyways, so yeah. SHIBOSU will aim to create the same inspirational journey, bringing together all dog meme communities and showering them with the amazing journey KIBOSU created for us over 13 years ago. Now, there is taxes on here. It looks like there's 5% tax, so you may have to set your slippage somewhere around 5%. 3% goes to marketing, 1% liquidity, and 1% donation. So it looks like there is no reflections, unfortunately. Now, they do have a roadmap on here, so they've done 5 things so far on the roadmap. Actually 6 now, and they don't have it checked off yet. But it says Telegram launch, Twitter launch, website launch, contract deployment, stealth and fair launch on Uniswap, and then they just got their CoinGecko listing, so that should be checked off. Next, they're going to have CoinMarketCap listing, then Etherscan verification, NFT acquisition, so they are going to come out with NFTs. First buyback and burn, community contests and giveaways, NFTs fractionalization, and then global marketing campaigns, billboard celebrity press release, SHIBA swap listing, and then central exchange listing. So this is very much a meme coin. They really don't have much utility at all besides, like, you know, contests and NFTs and that type of stuff. Just your basic meme coin utilities. But yeah, that is about it. So check it out, ShibosuERC.com. Just got listed on CoinGecko. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about ShibosuERC? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.